And let us see the minimum and maximum age limit for admissions in Kendriya Vidyalaya in various classes. Here you can see the minimum age for class 1 is 5 years, maximum age is 7 years. For class 2 it is minimum is 6 years, maximum is 8 years, and this age is calculated as on 31st March of every year. Let us see the formula of a cube plus b cube. This is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. Now we can go to next slide and let's see the formula of a cube minus b cube. What will the formula? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Got it? Let me show you a small video. Okay. Hello friends, how was this video? In this Corona COVID-19 pandemic, we the teacher fraternity is playing a pivotal role by providing online education. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a short video lecture. Most of our fellow teachers, especially the old guard, are not tech savvy and hence facing problems while preparing video lectures. That is how and where to use camera, how to use Blackboard, what software or what additional instruments are required to prepare this video. Also, most of us don't have laptops or computers at our home. The very basic method most of us are using is somehow hang a mobile in front of Blackboard and start the recording. But as we want to show the contents written on the Blackboard to students, so we can't compromise with the resolution, and hence at the end we see a 10-minute video sizes up to 1 GB. Now this size becomes the next problem. How to tackle such a large size? If you compress the video, its resolution degrades and students will not be able to see the contents written on the Blackboard. So friends, there are different options or methods, free and of course paid, available to prepare high-end attractive videos. But today I am going to show you how to prepare a very basic video using your Android mobile phone and free apps. In this method, we will use a screen recorder instead of camera. For this, we require two apps. First is X Recorder. This is a screen recorder software, and another is Google Jamboard. It will work as a Blackboard. After installing these two apps, open X Recorder and open its settings. In settings, enable camera, brush and record audio. Also in settings, open the resolution. In this resolution, you will see some options 240 pixel to 1080 pixel. But remember, higher the resolution is, higher the size of the video. So I think the best will be 360 pixels. Friends, after installing these two apps, open the Jamboard app. You will see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. This will create a new jam. Okay. Now here you can see this icon is used to choose a pen, its size and its color. This icon is used as an eraser button to erase something. Now I am going to use this Jamboard. Suppose a plus b whole square. I am choosing the pen width and I am changing the pen width and the color is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Now I am using this eraser button to erase something. Okay. Let us see. Have you seen this? I can create a new slide also by clicking on this button. This button will be used to create a new slide and this button will be used to go to the previous slide. Okay. I am creating a new slide. This is the new slide. Again I am using this pen tool. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. I can again move on to the previous slide by clicking on this button I can go on to next slide by clicking on this button, and hence I can move between these slides and we can use this Jamboard easily. Now open the X Recorder app. After opening X Recorder app, you will see two icons, one in the right side and another in the left side. When you click on the right side icon, some buttons will pop up. The first button is to start recording, stop recording, or pause the recording. In left side, when you click on this brush icon, you will be able to use a pen on your screen. You can write anything on the screen, you can tick mark, you can circle anything, and I have opened this PDF image. Instead of PDF file, you can use PPT, you can take pictures of your book, the textbook, and use that image to show the contents to students, and use this pen tool, you can mark in that book. Okay. Let me show you a live example. I have started X Recorder app and opened this PDF file, and I want to show the students what is this. So I will click on this brush icon. Now my brush is enabled. I will underline and show that we are using a Python program and importing pyplot file. In this pyplot file, to create a box plot, we have a function plt.boxplot, and now I am closing this brush button so that I can zoom in or zoom out or scroll through this file. Again, if I want to use this brush tool, I will again click on the brush icon and I am able to use this brush icon. Friends, after you have finished your recording, click on this icon on the left side, on the right side. You will see options to pause or stop the recording as per your need. And one thing I want to say about Jamboard, it can also be useful in live interactive classes, whether you are using Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, or any other software. And this hope this video will be helpful to you. Signing out, my name is Devendra Singh. I am PGT CS in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Bye.